So the most challenging part of building the Eahora Romeo Pro II, since it's a dual motor, is putting on the front tire. You have to have everything in the correct order. And the most important thing is you want the power cable to be facing the bottom of the suspension, and you want the locking nut to be, it'll be on the right side and at the bottom. So it's easiest to have the bike upside down to do this. So you lift it up. There's a flat side. You want the disc brake to go into the calipers. So you just have to line it up. So you have to line up the brake and alright, so once it's lined up, you should see that the power cable goes in through there. Your locking nut should level, or should be right in this groove. Once that's in, then you have this little grooved washer that also helps lock it up. And these little washers use a 4mm torque. The other washer, or those little screws, use a 4mm torque. And then that's a 21mm. I'm not going to tighten it quite yet because I'm going to do the other side. The other side is essentially the same. $4mm bolt washer. And it only fits one way. And you have your other washer. It should spin pretty freely. The disc brakes are rubbing a little bit. And then a 21mm. I don't know why, but mine came a little chewed up here. I think it got beat up a little bit in shipping. Everything else seems fine. So once, didn't give any torque numbers or anything, but I would torque it pretty good. Once that's on tight, your power cable is going to route over here, and it's going to go through this little holder, plastic holder, and this one uses a 3mm. It's already kind of loose. So the power cable has an arrow on the cable and the receptor side. Frequently called the male and female, but arrows on both ends. And then just put that in there, tighten that up. So that's it. Should spin freely. You don't want it to hit your cable. So cable's out of the way. Motor spins. Everything is connected. That's how you connect the front motor hub on the Eahora Romeo Pro.